Hey family. Hey family. What's up guys? So today we are going to be in the kitchen obviously, and we're gonna be making some of the most viral dessert meals off Tasty.
Woo!
And the kicker is they're like really quick and easy, like super simple microwavable dishes, except for the first one. Or use in the oven, Paul.
And you know what, Laura? I'm gonna let you have this one, but you're really coming for me with this video here. You know the kitchen is my territory.
The kitchen is Ty's territory, but he's giving me this video. I think it's gonna be really fun. The fam is helping me out today, and I think we should all just sing the subscribe song together. Subscribe to my
channel
before you leave.
Subscribe. That was terrible.
Yeah, that was really bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to hear that. Let's jump right in. So our first dish is a triple layer dessert that we're gonna pop in the oven. The first layer is cookie dough, which we just made homemade.
I've been hit.
Boy, throwing marshmallows. We'll use these in a moment. We just made this homemade. I will actually link this down below. We got the recipe off All Recipes. It's so easy to make. I've made this cookie dough 100 times, or even easier, you can just buy cookie dough. And then the top layer will be brownie mix, which we went ahead and mixed up. We just bought it out of the box.
Betty Crocker.
Betty Crocker. Fudge. Right there. Okay, so we're gonna first layer the pan with the cookie dough. We'll have some left over. Girl, get in there with your hands.
Get in there.
Everybody wash their hands?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's good to line the bottom of the pan.
I'm just gonna eat that.
We're gonna mush it. I feel like a cat making bread. You know how they do the fudge.
All right, this is Tyler's time to shine. He's gonna line it with Oreos.
We're gonna do it like this.
No.
Got you guys.
You're so funny.
So funny.
Laura.
Does it matter how they're lined up?
Well, that's kind of how they did it, like that.
Like this?
Yeah, that looks great.
You're doing great, sweetie.
Well.
Oh my God, that's perfect amount.
All right. Do we do cookie dough on top of it?
No, we do brownie mix.
Oh, let me do it.
Boy, what you
How
doing?
much you think? This is so satisfying.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? You guys.
Are you getting this food porn right now?
I'm sorry if you guys are on a diet in the middle of this, because I'm ruining your life right now.
Who would be dieting on a quarantine right now? We sure aren't.
You are.
Not for real though.
And then you go spread it.
Yeah, and then just spread it.
Do I need to spread it, or is gravity just gonna do it for me?
We can let gravity work. I think we're good.
Right.
Let me just see that. I'm gonna get this corner.
Raw berry wine.
Tyler.
Let's have a look from the side. Oh, it's like melting in there. Okay, so now we pop it in the oven. The oven's already turned on. All right, and we leave it in there, I think for like a long time. I have to read.
I think like a long time.
Okay, so you put that in the oven, 350 for 45 minutes.
Why?
Hey, Marco.
Oh my God.
Open your mouth. Ready.
Okay, for our next recipe, we're gonna be making homemade Rice Krispies treats in the microwave. Supposedly this is like the easiest way. I don't know if this is how everybody makes them or not.
Butter.
But this is how we're gonna make them, because this is how Tasty made them. So this is supposed to be like really quick dishes. So you put 1 teaspoon of butter in 8 large marshmallows, and you microwave them for 30 seconds. You mix them together, and then you put the Rice Krispie treats in.
Does the butter have to be melted?
Well, you melt it in like that.
Oh, you melt it with it. Oh, okay.
So let's show them. We have the one, actually this is a lot of butter, but we have our 8 marshmallows.
That was definitely more than
How long do I put?
Boy,
You said a tablespoon, right?
I said teaspoon.
Oh my God, that's way too much butter.
Take that out.
How long do I put it in there?
30 seconds. And then as soon as it comes out, you give it a good mix.
Don't stare into the microwave. That's dangerous. Hey, don't make them stare.
Go, Eryn. Mix it. Eryn! Eryn! Here I come.
I already know this.
Get it!
And it's all stuck to your stuff.
It looks good, Eryn. Let me show you a trick. Sometimes you gotta go like that, and then kind of a swab that.
Smells good.
God, it smells so good. All right, and then you put it like in a little dish, which I have that little square dish over there. Actually, I think this bowl would be perfect to put it in, don't you guys? Oh my God. Just like a Rice Krispie treat in like 30 seconds. And then you just let it rest, and then it's ready to go. Alrighty, for our next recipe, Ty is getting us ready to melt some chocolate, but we're gonna make our own at home.
Peanut butter.
No, what's it called?
Reese cups?
Reese cups. The only kicker is we don't have cupcake trays or like the little inserts.
Yeah.
Mistakes that sometimes come back to haunt them.
So we're just gonna have round.
Round Reese cups. So use
sad.
your imagination.
I went to the store and I went to buy them and they didn't have any. So yes, everybody's making cupcakes during this time. They just won't have the rigid edge. So what we're gonna do first is add some peanut butter in a bowl with confectionate sugar. We're gonna mix.
I was just trying to get the chocolate. Oh my God, I didn't see that one there. I'm sorry.
That I opened for you.
Thank you.
So we're gonna mix peanut butter and confectionate sugar together.
Why do we have to add the sugar?
Because it makes it sweet.
Like me.
They did not give measurements on this one. They just said do it. So I think I put too much confectionate sugar. Oh Lord, it's mixing together really easily though. So I'm mixing that. And then I'll show you guys our melting chocolate process because we just have big bars of Hershey chocolate that we're gonna be melting. This is how my mom melts chocolate without letting it burn. She puts a bowler of hot water and a smaller bowler on top. And she lets the chocolate melt.
I've never seen this.
You know, Grandma's got all the tricks. We used to make cookies with Ritz crackers and the peanut butter. Do you remember those? They're so good. This is how we always made them every year. Oh! Oh, it's up there! Lord! I realized. Boy got water! Boy got water!
Let me drain
I
it.
am so done, this family.
All right, we're good. I drained it.
Tyler, I got chocolate
stitches.
burnt in my eye over there. I got water in my chocolate. I gave you simple instructions. I think I should take over this process.
I just make things fun.
Watch out, you just
a
got more
little bit,
water
just a little
in.
bit.
Jesus, Lord,
A little
and
bit of water
Mary.
never killed anybody.
We're only making 3 of these, by the way.
Oh my God.
No, I think that's the perfect amount for 3 of them.
Think so?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great.
These are Hershey's Reese cups.
Yeah.
This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire existence.
This is just the base. That was a lot of it. That's gonna be a thick boy.
Okay. Ooh, look at that melt. Okay, now we just add a little bit of peanut butter.
Hurry, it's solidifying.
Oh,
Oh God.
that's it. That was
it.
perfect. That's perfect.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
One more.
All right.
Should I add more?
To that one, yes. 100%.
Okay, let me get a little.
That little drop.
All right.
$1.
There we go. It's go time.
Girl, put a morsel in there.
A morsel.
Maybe not. Oh, the foot. I literally just realized you were doing that, and you realize I'm holding this chocolate, so be prepared. Hey.
That's what you do. That's how you smooth it out, girl. You just smack it around.
You got peanut butter on the camera.
Wait a minute. It's a chopper.
It's a chocolate. All right, beat it around.
And we have it smooth on top, so now we're gonna pop them in the fridge for an hour. I think they'll be done in less than an hour, don't you?
Yeah.
Pop 'em in
I'm
the
sorry. I'm
fridge.
just laughing at you.
Oh.
Tyler just put chocolate in my hair.
More?
Get her.
She drops them.
Get her, Laura.
Where are you gonna put it? Oh, that's good. Eryn, okay, guys, I don't.
I got on your chin.
God.
Okay, those are in there. Our next recipe and our last recipe, we're making a cookie in the oven.
An eggless cookie.
Boy, I said in the oven.
And it's definitely not the oven.
A cookie, y'all like, wow, revolutionary. We're making a cookie in the microwave. And it's gonna be like one little cookie with ice cream on top. So, well, first you put in the melted butter.
Oh.
Add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar,
A little nugget.
1 tablespoon of sugar, a little dash of vanilla,
Dash.
eyeball that, a little bit of salt,
Salt. Who put salt in cookies?
everybody, and some baking powder, just a dash.
Everywhere.
Looking good. Go ahead and stir that
That's
over.
a dark looking cookie.
Flour coming in.
I feel like this is very chaotic. This is gonna be an entertaining video.
And then Ty, what you're gonna do is mush it. Oh no, wait, we're gonna microwave. Wait.
No, you put it in
the
this
bowl.
and then you microwave it.
All right, we're gonna add it. Look at that. And then you microwave it for 1 minute.
Yours.
Our chef Eryn, 1 minute. Guys, we're gonna try everything at the end, so just hang tight. All right, 1 minute is up. Pull it out.
Whoa, that's a little holy cookie.
Ooh, it looks good though. So what had happened with the vanilla ice cream is that it expired, so I threw it.
Oh, it's
Laura just threw it away. She thought it was expired.
Does ice cream even expire?
Yes, it's a dairy product.
Everything
Nah, bruh.
expires.
All right, we get this. I bet this is expired.
Is it? So are we ready to try some of these things out?
I'm pretty hyped up on sugar right now.
First, we're gonna try out the Rice Krispies because the other two are in the oven and freezer.
Here it is.
Why'd you eat it?
Look at this. I'll try first.
Why does he get to try first?
It's pretty good. Very marshmallowy.
It's good.
I say it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
I give it 8 out of 10, guys.
8 out of 10.
Maybe even 9. I give it 9.
I'm doing 8.
7.
All right.
A little bit too marshmallow.
Y'all ready for
No
the
such thing.
microwave cookie? Here we go.
It looks like an undercooked cookie. Wow, this is hot.
It's good. It's good. I was worried at first, like it was a little bit bitter when it first hit, but it's really good.
I want to try just the cookie.
I like it with the ice cream. Laura smacked it.
The cookie's a little weird. It kind of tastes like just cookie dough. Like a very undercooked cookie.
I don't like it.
It's not the best.
It's not terrible. I mean, it's not nasty. It's all good ingredients. It's just like not what I'm going for.
What are you rating it?
I give it a 4 out of 10.
I'm gonna, 4 out of 10.
Eryn liked it.
3 out
I
of
give
10.
it a 7 out of 10. I really like it.
Ooh, she gave it a 7 out of 10. Oh.
I mean, if you're in the mood for a cookie, might as well.
All right, we'll be back with the last two.
What?
I now know why we're supposed to have the cupcake sheets.
We don't have cupcake inserts. Yeah, so we're just gonna have round Reese's cups.
Because they're stuck to the pan, aren't they?
I bent the pan trying to get it out.
Oh my god, why would you bend a pan?
I can't get them out.
You could have got it out with a knife, just a butter knife.
You think?
Now I'm gonna have to hulk it and bend it back.
Also, our brownie cookie Oreo is done. I'm trying to show you guys. You see the layering? It's finished. So we're gonna taste test the last two items. Oh!
Okay, this one don't want to do it.
Here it is, it's coming.
Oh, look at this bent ass pan we got.
I know, I gotta buy a new one now.
Oh no, you gotta buy a new one?
I have to go shopping on the Container Store website. I might have to pick up a few more things so we can get free shipping.
What is wrong with you? Laura, Eryn!
She's
Laren! How many of y'all do
Laren!
that? Everybody does that.
no.
Calls the family member by the wrong name. My mom would do it with me and my brother all
Oh, I
the time.
thought you were talking about calling us Laren.
Mm-mm. You always got my head cut off. Am I just that
I
tall?
think I did my eyebrows a little too thick today. Whatever.
Yeah, we burnt this.
I told you it smelt funny.
Oh boy. These are the smoothest. Look at that. Look how smooth
Oh, they look so good.
these are. The smoothest Reese cups ever.
Are we ready?
Let's do it. Cheers.
This is a lot of chocolate.
This is thick.
Imagine you eat the whole thing.
No, I would explode.
Tastes like a Hershey's Kiss.
We have some peanut butter. I ain't gonna lie, it's real good.
It's really
It
good.
tastes like Reese's.
Yeah, it's really good. It's just a little bit too sugary. Like, it's like a lot. But we
It is a
also
lot.
have been eating a lot of
Oh,
sugar.
sugar right now.
We also did make them really thick.
Also, I think that the fact that it's Hershey's chocolate has like a very specific taste. So it makes it not taste
So
like
you might
a
want
Reese
to,
cup.
if you try to make them, you might want to not get the Hershey's chocolate.
Like Hershey's chocolate's a very overpowering taste for that. You can barely taste the peanut butter. I said peanut butter.
100% said peanut butter.
Okay, but
What do you
besides
give
that, these are really good.
What do you give it?
I give those a 9 out of 10.
I give them an 8 out of 10.
Just don't make them as big as we did.
Mm.
I'm gonna do a 7 out of 10.
Mm.
All right, this is still kind of hot, but we did let it cool for a little while.
We're ready for it.
Wow. Okay, are you guys ready for the first slice to come out? Oh, the brownie.
Why would you grab the pan? Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me get on to you now that you're okay. You idiot! Got a glove on now. Put it on the plate.
Girl,
Whoa.
that is so crazy. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that. Okay.
A cookie Oreo brownie.
I want to show them the innards.
The innards?
The brownie is burnt on top, but still a little juicy in the center.
Look at that though.
Oh wow, all 3 layers. Mmm.
All right, taste test. Is that your Crocs squeaking?
Yeah.
Guys, we got Crocs. We all got Crocs today.
Everybody.
Show them your Crocs.
They both got black ones. I got strawberry ones.
I don't really like it.
Is it because it's burnt though?
It's
It
just
tastes
too
funny.
much mixed together.
It tastes fishy. Word God. I'm spitting this out. This is terrible.
It tastes so gross. Y'all, that's nasty.
Am I the only one that tastes fishy?
I do taste fish. I taste a little bit of fish. My stomach hurts from eating all this sweet. I'm gonna be sick.
Y'all, why did it taste like fish though?
I don't know, but
I think we did something wrong.
we didn't do anything wrong. The cookie dough was delicious.
We
before
didn't put fish in it.
That's not good.
Okay, what?
That's not good.
A 1 out of 10.
Zero.
Zero. Let's
That was
be real.
terrible.
No, I don't know what it is about it. It doesn't have any flavor.
Yeah.
No flavor. It's like this weird, like, no, there's not even a chocolatey taste to it.
Oreo, brownie, and cookie mix. It's
Mixed
just,
fish.
it's not good.
You see, I wasn't really interested in it at all either. I loved all 3 of them.
I do too.
Together?
Separate.
Separate.
I think it's just too much.
It was too much.
Everyone has their likings.
So we had a flop.
Well, guys, that was a fun video to film.
Thank you guys for being here and watching. We love you guys.
We do.
Subscribe for more content like this.
Because you know you love it.
You love it.
You love it.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Later, guys.
Peace.
You want a croc fight?
Gotta get a crock.
You gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker to the croc,
Did he
girl.
had height?